Hello everyone. I am Dr. Rinki Tiwari, Clinical Director at Origin Fertility Center, Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. Today I am here to discuss about again one of the important topic, endometriosis. Endometriosis is a common long-term and recurrent disorder experienced by 5 to 10% of women. Endometriosis is classically characterized by the presence of endometrial tissue outside the uterine cavity, means when it is ectopic in location, like on the pelvic peritoneum, tubes, ovaries, behind the uterus, and sometimes even on intestine or lungs also. The normal location of this endometrial tissue is inside the uterine cavity. The innermost layer of endometrium sheds off every month in the form of menstrual blood from the uterine cavity through the vagina. But when it is ectopic in location, the endometrial blood cannot come out and it will accumulate at the particular site. That we can see in the form of endometric spots of the pelvic peritoneum or chocolate cyst of the ovary. Pain is the most common symptom of endometriosis. Most commonly, women may suffer from moderate to severe pain during menstruation, and other kind of pain could be pain during urination or while passing motion. Sometimes women may suffer from chronic pelvic pain throughout the month irrespective of their menses. Clinical examination must be done in all women suspected to have endometriosis. Ultrasound is also useful in the diagnosis of endometriosis, especially for ovarian endometrioma. Laparoscopy is essential for the definitive diagnosis of endometriosis, and it is useful for the grading of endometriosis as well. But the role of laparoscopy for the diagnosis alone is still matter of debate. It depends on the patient profile, her ovarian reserve, and the type of treatment which they are going for. In my opinion, with the advancement of imaging modality like high-end ultrasound machine and MRI, the role of laparoscopy only for the diagnosis of endometriosis is limited. Endometriosis is strongly associated with infertility. Around 20 to 50% of infertile women have endometriosis. Sometimes women will be totally asymptomatic, and at the time of evaluation of infertility, they may diagnose with endometriosis. It affects different stages of reproduction. It causes oocyte degeneration and impacts the oocyte quality. It impacts the sperm function in female body. It affects the fertilization rate, means meeting of sperm and egg also, and at the end it decreases the implantation rate also. The goal-oriented approach is essential while determining the treatment options for endometriosis. The treatment options depend on woman age, duration of infertility, any associated male factor, and very important, the egg count of the woman. If egg count is good and for grade 1 and grade 2 endometriosis, the woman can go for laparoscopy followed by few cycles of OITI or IUI. But if egg count is low, or for grade 3 and grade 4 endometriosis, the couple might need IVF. The role of laparoscopy surgery may be considered in case of ovarian endometrioma, but it requires special attention due to potential harm on future fertility. Once the diagnosis of endometriosis is confirmed, the couple should start their fertility treatment without any delay. Because as we all know, endometriosis is a progressive disorder. We can control it, but we cannot cure it. Until the time woman gets menses, the endometriotic spots keep on increasing. And pregnancy is the definite cure for endometriosis. After pregnancy, 50 to 60% of endometriosis will get cured. Thank you, and stay connected with us for more informational video. If you have any query related to endometriosis, please write to us or call us. Thank you.